Yo, today we got an interesting one. I'm gonna be reviewing a beginner's trade. So as you can see, it's kind of all over one to one, yeah, but stick to the video. I'm gonna give you some real secrets and some real advices on how you can cut your profitability journey and get profitable way quicker. So for context, this guy is a part of our community. So if you wanna join, it's free. It's first link in the description. You can join. There's a bunch of brothers in there helping each other, grow each other, and a lot of profitable traders in there as well. So, like as you can see, like there's trades one to one. Yeah, beginners. I mean, this guy is 1 week into trading, maybe two. By the time this video comes out, maybe 1 month, maybe two. But, bro, when I saw these images, I was thinking the same of you. But when I placed these trades on my chart and I started putting the little pieces together, this brother's got talent. This brother maybe is going places. If he sticks to his YouTube and if he sticks to the group, he's maybe going places. So let's jump right into the analysis. So starting off, we got Nasdaq. So bro has been trading Nasdaq, and I see we're on the uptrend, and I started to buy. Nothing wrong, but like we just broke this major highs. Oh, even here. And nothing wrong with bro longing. Like for me, I usually place myself at the beginning of the move. So I'll either try to, like, if you can consider it, calling the tops or calling the lows. And there's some traders that just like following the trend and even continue to longing once we break all-time highs. And there's nothing wrong with it. And some traders make a real good profit out of it. But here, like, there's also the liquidity cycle. You have to mention, like, this low is for sure going to get broken. You see? But yeah, it was placing himself against the liquidity cycle. Nothing wrong though. Price went for one liquidation, but went for one more. If you consider it, this is kind of in the middle of nowhere. Maybe he could have placed himself in the inducement. I don't know if he did it on purpose, but in my vision, price broke the inducement, continued to break, came to this little order block, but I would consider this as a whole order block or efficiency in price that just came to tap this. Again, the IPAs, EPAs, I'll place them as a blue line. And price came to tag it. But bro, waited for a break of structure in the middle, in the lower time frame, sorry, and just place himself there. Now, one thing that's obvious is bro shouldn't be going for a 1-to-5, 1-to-1, or this one he went for a 1-to-2. But even, like, I would say minimum stick to the 1-to-3. If you're a beginner, you're kind of training internal, maybe go for a 1-to-2, maybe. But yeah, nothing much else to say. I wouldn't do this, of course, but my vision is still valid, bro. This guy in a week or 2 weeks of trading is like probably better than me in 1 year. 1 year in trading. I'm not even kidding, guys. And this brother, from his charts, he's been using liquidity and he's been following sessions and even liquidity sessions. Now that's crazy. Just by knowing that, bro's potential is massive. So let's continue. Now we gotta fill the liquidity cycle. I don't know if the guy knew that, but we had this massive shoot up and now we're dropping. I don't know if he knows if we're bearish now, but you see price on Monday, no, on Friday that I traded. Okay, we got price shooting down. We came to this levels here. You can say this kind of Asia because it's already midnight. Price broke this at 240, at 230 basically, the timing manipulation, and then it came down and brother tried to continue the trend. And on the low side you can see we broke this. You see price breaking inducements. You see as soon as we break this, we left this inducement here, we broke it. Sorry, it's the magnet here. We broke this. Price went here. He could have shorted here. This would have been way better, but he waited for price to do this. Broke structure, so now this is valid. Price going under, and then you just play the retest. The problem here is he placed himself here, which is valid, but then price went to here and he was not break even, maybe, with this logic. And even like it was during Asia, and this was too late, way too late. I mean, it's New York afternoon. It's afternoon at New York, but I guess this guy with this time, like with his schedule, he can only trade like after work or school. So his trades are all at London close or New York afternoon. But still, another win in his books. I mean, he just sent me winning trades. I don't know if this guy has any losing trades or if it's just like on a beginner's luck, massive luck. So next we have S&P. I think this one. Where is it? Yeah, so S&P, we got another 2 trades. Now on this one, I would say, yeah, bro, his longing was good, but bro, you're just longing at like the close of the day. So like this big ass gap, I mean, went right, but it could have been risky. Because on the real market, yeah, this it's not even a 2 arc, because market opened there, it's a 4 or 5. But this, you cannot trade like this, because this is already end of the night. There's no volume, and markets will close to then just move up. Like I don't trade futures because in forex, like the market's still open, but this is dangerous because this was a win. I mean, it's not even here. Your TP was here, but because price opened here, price will close you here in even more profit. But what happened if price opened here? Then you wouldn't lost 1 hour, you would have lost 2, 3, or 4. So you gotta watch out for that. In regards to your plan of longing, yeah, kind of still same. Price is bullish, but still broke this. Again, another thing that I like is that, let me put the magnet here, is that we broke this inducement and bro decided to long it after. Like I think bro is even better than smart money traders. Cause like some of them would be longing here, but nah, he just waited for the inducement to be taken, waited for smaller confirmation and long it. I don't know. Another thing I don't like is that, I mean, consider continuation. I just don't like making higher highs and just long it after it. I'll much rather go look for sells or look for buys, but way down. Like look for a better retracement. And also we have a trend line right here, and this does not look good. But for the next trade, it took advantage of this trend line. because he saw this high, and then again price doesn't like leaving like gaps and holes in the market. So price, as soon as it make gap, fills it, comes back. Again, I don't like this so much because this just looks like a resistance for retail traders. But even then, we got this that was taken out. I don't know why it just didn't went here, but okay. It's S&P, I don't trade it. So you can see it's coming today or something. It will liquidate for sure. But yeah, price is going up, and then took advantage of this trending line, and the guy shorted. Again, not much in the middle, I could say, but yeah, great trending line to take advantage of, and maybe liquidity cycle if you got it right here. Yeah, kinda. You could say it just turned to support for retail traders, but he got took. But to finish off, I think this is the best trade, and I don't know if he took this trade due to my analysis, due to my signal on the group, because I think I sent this trade out on gold, because I said this stuff looked kind of good. But if we look once again, liquidity cycle, if you go watch the video, we broke the highs, so now we gotta break the lows. Then price made this high, that broke this liquidity. Price came to retest it. We're going down. We got Asia. Price came to 230, 245, whatever you want to call it, at UTC +2, my timing zone. But essentially 1 hour and a half after New York opening, you got the New York manipulation time. Price did that. It broke internal structure right here. Even before that, we trapped everybody that was shorting this Asia, like shorting with Asia, not knowing like Asia is just a liquidity that's gonna get you trapped. People shorting here and even seeing this breaks of structure. Bro avoided the smart money trap, came down, and I don't know if brother knows this, but he took his order, okay, in his chart. He put down an order block, breaker block, which is impressive. And so waited for a clean break of structure internal here, and even like there's like a support, you can say, here as a confluence that price is just going down. But then he just went for a 1 hour. I mean, the trade is kind of internal, but it could have waited for more, maybe 2. But then again, price would put in break even. Like I would place myself here, and I think if I sent out the signal, it was this. I mean, it wasn't really a signal because I don't trade gold, but it was like this looks good on gold. I just said that in the community, and then you could have got the 5 hour, you know. But he just waited longer to see if price was really going to drop down as a confirmation. Nothing wrong with that. But then, yeah, he just went for a 1 hour. Could have got for 2 at least. But this one was amazing. This one, congrats to bro. If you really traded this like without me being an inspiration. But yeah, one thing I would say to him, like things to improve of, is risk to reward. Checking if you can trade better timings, because your timings are way too late in the market. You gotta stick to one pair. Like I saw you moving from futures to oil to gold. Like you really need to stick to one. Get to know the pair, get familiar with it, and you'll just like understand every move of it, and you understand how the pair moves. Cause look at me, like everyone inside of the community knows EU is my bitch. Cause I sticked with her like for years and years, and now I just know every move she does, and I can predict that shit easy. So you can't be flirting with all these bitches thinking you're gonna be profitable. Nah, you gotta stick with one. I'm not talking about women here. If you want to, like, even better, you can fuck with them all. But with pairs, stick to one, brother, and you'll be like a professional in it. So yeah, but I know you're a beginner, you're just trying things out, seeing what works, what doesn't work, trying different pairs. But yeah, trying to stick to one, see what your most performant is, and which one you like the best. And yeah, just stick with it, bro, and improve the win rate. Try to place more external trades, I would say. Like in my case, I only trade external. I don't trade internal. Like, for instance, I would only like look for trades around here, maybe around here as a continuation, but not so much, or maybe here or maybe here, because I'm more of a external guy, and it just leaves me way more movement to catch way more percentage gains. Because I go for a 1 to 5 or a 1 to 3 as minimum, so I need that big moves on intraday cases. So yeah, but bros in 1 week, 2 weeks, I don't know, he's way better than me, like in the beginning. Like, bro, trading like this, like, and being on the group and sticking to this YouTube channel, again, subscribe and like, this brother can cut his journey from, like, his unprofitability journey from 3-4 years, which is the normal, to like 1 to 2 years, which is crazy. If he puts in the work and he stays with the right information, which is us in the group, bro's got it. So yeah, I wish he puts in the work. I wish him the best, and I wish you guys do the same. So yeah, guys, see you on the next one.